should we start to strengthen our muscles before we balance out the fascia system, specifically when it comes to chronic pain conditions? Not a good idea, but let me explain why. So, when people come to see us at Sterling Structural Therapy, they come in with a chronic pain problem. What their fascia system is doing, right? It doesn't look this nice and straight and balanced. It is always twisted and knotted up, and it's causing all sorts of issues, okay? So let's just use an example here. Let's just even go to arm work, right? So can you imagine someone has this going on, and before realigning them and freeing everything up and balancing them out, I'm going to try to work their arms. So Aaron, go ahead and try to lift both arms up for me. It's as far as he can go. Try to go a little higher. Try. He can't. Drop him back down. So can you imagine me giving Aaron any arm work if this is going on? Biceps, triceps, what am I doing?